What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by for another video. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Nicole and I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss a future upload. Today's video is going to be a Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul. This try-on haul is a little bit smaller than my previous try-on hauls. I think I got 8 things. I did get some pretty cute things, most of which are pretty casual, so if you guys want to see what I got, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first item that I picked out is a definite throwback to when I was younger because I was obsessed with the cartoon Rugrats. So I picked out this light pink crop top. I think it's so cute, and like I said, it's just a throwback to when I was younger. So many memories watching this cartoon. I love it. I got this in a 1X. Their crop tops are usually pretty oversized, like the ones that are like men's t-shirts type crop tops. I don't think I'm making any sense. They're pretty oversized and I like them to be just a little bit smaller. So I got a 1X, but it's still actually pretty baggy. I think it's still super, super cute, and I think it would just be cute to wear around the house or even just on a lazy day. The next item that I picked out is this really pretty wrap style, like off the shoulder crop top. It's super, super cute. Definitely very form-fitting. I got this in a 2X. It's made of a black, like ribbed material. Very thick material, especially up here in the front because it is like double lined because of this like cross action going on. But I think it's an adorable, adorable top. This is definitely something you could dress up or down, and I love versatile tops like that. So I think it's super cute, super comfortable. I am just wearing a regular bra and then I just tucked the straps in. I like this because it's not like a crazy like off the shoulder top. Like you can kind of sit it so it's still like up on your shoulders. Because for me, I feel like I look like a linebacker sometimes. So this one is like, it's almost like a super like wide open V-neck, but I just love it. So you can kind of adjust it how you want. But yeah, pretty basic, but also a little bit different. I don't know. I just really like it a lot. The next item I picked out, you probably have already seen if you are following me on Instagram, because I already wore this and posted a couple pictures in it, and a lot of you guys actually asked where I got it from. Fashion Nova. It is this adorable orange, like rust orange sweater, perfect for fall time with the cutest little like shoulder cutouts ever. I wore this wine tasting for my brother and sister's birthday, and a lady at the winery actually like stopped me and like flagged me down and asked me where I got this because it was that cute. Like, I love it. I will say I got mine in a 2X. It is a very, very, very like stretchy sweater material. It's like that ribbed, very stretchy material, so it's gonna be a little bit more form-fitting. When I took it out of the package, I'll never forget, my reaction was this. Huh. And I knew they got the size wrong. I was like, that is an extra small. It was that big. But it stretches so much that I put it on and it fit perfectly. So it is just so super cute, and I absolutely love the color. I do know that they had this in other colors as well, so if you're not a fan of the orange, I believe they had it in black and maybe a couple other colors. So I will leave everything, of course, as always, linked down in the description box if you guys are interested in any of this. I know. I really think I was placed on this earth for one reason and one reason only, and that's to wear leopard. I am obsessed, to say the least. This is a velvet material leopard spaghetti strap bodysuit. All right, that was a mouthful. I am obsessed with it. I do have a regular bra on, and I like took the straps down and tucked it in so the boobs are not looking their best. I would wear a strapless bra with this, but can we just take a moment? What? I know. I absolutely love this bodysuit. I got it in a 2X and it's just perfection. I will say that the straps are not adjustable whatsoever, so I don't know if that's a downfall for some of you guys or what, but it is double lined. The inside has this tan material and it is somewhat stretchy. So once again, I got a 2X and I'm just in love with it. I always forget to mention this bodysuit has snaps in the crotch area, and it is not a thong. It is like a regular just bodysuit. All right. moving on to the pants. So then I picked up these black skinny jeans. I thought they were just a little bit different than the skinny jeans I usually wear. They have a multitude of buttons here, which is cool, and it's black, which I like, because sometimes when it's silver, I feel like weird wearing gold stuff and vice versa, so I like that they're just all black. And the difference about these jeans that I kind of liked was that there is a seam going like right down the middle of your leg, which is kind of different. And it does have like a ripped up, rough looking hem down at the bottom, if you can even tell. But I just think they're super cute. They are like stretch denim, and I got these in a size 16. Okay, so next up is definitely more of a basic top, but it's for sure see-through. It is a long sleeve black bodysuit. I know it's hard to see, and somebody did comment in one of my last videos, like, when you're trying on a black top, can you have a different color bottom so I can like actually see it? But I figured, I mean, a bodysuit is a bodysuit. It's just a black, basic long sleeve bodysuit. I like it. I just wish it was a little bit thicker. That way you can't see straight through it, because I'll probably not ever end up wearing this because of how see-through it is. I would definitely wear something like this to work. Maybe if I had some sort of a vest or something I could throw over it, I'll wear it, but I just wish it was a little bit thicker, but it's still super breathable and very, very stretchy and comfortable, so I will give it that. And I got this in a 2X. Next up are these camo jogger overalls. That is right, jogger overalls. They are made of like a sweatshirt type material, but they don't have like that super soft, like hot material on the inside. The material that you see here is the material that is on the inside. They are double lined, they are stretchy, they have a drawstring here. It's just like wearing sweatpants all over your body. I got these in a 2X, and I think it's like the perfect size for me. They do have pockets, which is great. 2 here, 1 on each side, and then 1 here in the front. These little like button snap thingies do work, which is great. And the straps are adjustable, which is awesome. And there's just nothing better than these. There is nothing better. Like, imagine running errands and wanting to be super comfortable, but also look cute and stylish. This is what you need to wear. Jogger overalls. They are full length. So they go all the way down to your ankle, and they're just so adorable. So that was pretty much it for today's try on haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to know what your favorite item was. Leave it down in the comment section below. If you guys have any questions or anything, check the description box. And if I didn't answer it, leave me a comment and I would be more than willing to get back to you as soon as I can. Before you go, do not forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.